Okay, first, today we are going to build a basic bay. The bay you can make in all different shapes and sizes. Well, today I'm just making a basic bay. And I decided to make mine in gray, black, white, yellow, and green. Okay, now let's get on to the building part. First, you take a green square piece.
What size are you using?
1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4.
4 by 4?
4. Then you take a 4 by 4 green piece. Then you put 2 by 2 white pieces on 2 sides of the bay. It should look like this when you're done putting the white 2 pieces on. Then you put the yellow 2 pieces on either the other sides of the bay. And when you're done, it should look like this. Then you put this piece, a 1 by 1. Actually, not a 1 by 1. It kind of looks like a chain snout.
Yeah,
And then you put that piece in the middle of the bay. And then when you're done, it should look like this. Then you take this 4 by 4, 2 by 2.
round piece, yeah.
2 by 2 round piece. And then you put this 2 by 2 round black piece.
So it's a flat bottomed one.
It's a flat bottom one. And then you put it on the bottom of the bay. When you're done, it should look like this. Then you put that on the middle bottom of the bay. Then you take the white, then you take the last white piece, and then you put it on top of the train light and the train snout-like piece. And then that's it for today's video, but this is how you spin it before you go. You hold the see-through thing, the white piece, like this, and then you just spin it. And that's it, and that's it for today's episode. Bye!